Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll discuss about Unit 5 Division, worksheet 8. Now we solve question number 1. Find the quotient and the remainder of the following. A 76 divided 2. Divided by 2. 76. This is 1 place. This is tens. First, we divide tens place. So, you recite the multiplication table of 2 till you get 7. We cannot find 7 in the multiplication table of 2. Then, we recite the multiplication table which is just less than 7. 2 3 is 6. Now, we subtract the product from dividend. 7 minus 6 equal 1. Now, we brought 6 is down. Now number is 16. Then we recite the multiplication table of 2. We get till we get 16. 2 8 is 16. Now we subtract the product from dividend. 16 minus 16 equal 0. Here we get quotient equal 38 and remainder equal 0. Now we solve 2. 66 divided 5. First, we divide multiplication table of 5. First, we recite multiplication table of 5. Then 5 1 is 5. Then we subtract the product from dividend. 6 minus 5 equal 1. Then 6 is brought down. Now number is 16. Then we recite multiplication table of 5 till we get just less than 16. 5 3 is 15. Then 6 minus 5 equal 1. 1 minus 1 equal 0. Here we get quotient equal 13 and remainder equal 1. Now we solve point 3. 92 divided 8. First we divide 10 place. We recite multiplication table of 8 till we get 9. We will not get 9 in the multiplication table of 8. Then we recite the multiplication table which is just less than 9. 8 1 is 8. Now we subtract the product from dividend. 9 minus 8 equal 1. Then 2 is brought down. Now number is 12. Then we recite the multiplication table of 8. We cannot found in the multiplication table of 8. Then we recite which just less than 12. 8 1 is 8. Now we subtract the product from dividend. Then 12 minus 8 equal 4. Here we get quotient equal 11. And remainder equal 4. Now we solve point 4. 67 divide 5. First we divide 10 place. Then we recite multiplication table of 5 till we get 6. 6 we will not get in the multiplication table 5. Then you take just less than. Then 5 1 is 5. Now we subtract the product from dividend. 6 minus 5 equal 1. Then 7 is brought down. Now number is 17. Then we multiplication table. Then we recite multiplication table of 5 till we get 17. 17 will not get in the multiplication table of 5. Then we take just less than 17. 5 3 is 15. Then 7 minus 5 equal to 1 minus 1 equal 0. Here you get quotient equal 13 and a remainder equal 3. Remainder equal 2. Now we solve 5. 75 divided 3. 75 divided 3. First we recite the multiplication table of 3 till we get 7. We will not get 7 in the multiplication table of 3. Then we take which is just less than 7. Then 3 2s are 6. Now we subtract the product from dividend. 7 minus 6 equal 1. Then 5 is brought down. Now number is 15. Then we recite multiplication table of 3 till we get 15. 3 5s are 15. Now we subtract the product from dividend. 15 minus 15 equals 0. Here we get quotient equal 25 and a remainder equal 0. Now solve question number 6. "99 divide 7. First we divide 10 place 9. First we recite multiplication table of 7 till we get 9. We cannot find 9 in the multiplication table of 7, then which is just less than 7 1 is 7. Then we subtract the product from dividend. Now 9 minus 7 equal 2. Then 9 is brought down. Now number is 29. Then we recite the multiplication of table 7 till we get 29. 29 will not get in the multiplication table of 7. Then we just take which is just less than 29. Then 7 4s are 28. And 9 minus 8 equal 1. 8 2 minus 2 equal 0. Then we get quotient equal 14 and remainder equal 1. Then 7. 89 divided 6. First we divide by 10 place, then 1 place. First we recite multiplication table of 6. 8 we cannot find in the multiplication table of 6. Then we just take which is just less than 8. 6 1 is 6. Now we subtract the product from dividend. 8 minus 6 equal 2. Then 9 is brought down. Now number is 29. Then we recite multiplication table of 6. Then 6 4s are 28. 6 4s are 24. Then 9 minus 4 equal 5. 2 minus 2 equal 0. Here we get quotient equal 14 and remainder equal 5. Then 8. 78 divided 2. First we divide 10 place. 2 3s are 6. Now we subtract the product from dividend. 7 minus 6 equal 1. Now 8 is brought down. Number is 18. Then 18 divided by 2 equal 2 9s are 18. And 18 minus 18 equal 0. Here you get quotient equal 39 and a remainder equal 0. Now we solve question number 9. Then 80 divide 5. First we divide 10 plus 8. 5 1 ja 5. Now we subtract the product from dividend. 8 minus 5 equal 3. Now 0 is brought down. Now number is 30. 30 divided 5 equal 5 6 ja 30. Then 30 minus 30 equal 0. Here we get quotient equal 16 and the remainder equal 0. Now discuss worksheet 9. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. 0 divide 4 equal dash. 0 divided by any number is 0. So 0 divided 4 equal 0. Then another. 7 divide 1. A number divided by 1. This number is itself. A number divided by itself is 1. So 7 divided 1 equal 7. Then 3. 9 divided 9. When a number divided by itself is 1. So 9 divided 9 equal 1. Then 4. Dash divided 3 equal 0. When 0 is divided by any number is 0. So dash divided 3 equal 0. 0 is divided by 3 equal 0. Then 5. 6 divided dash equal 1. A number divided by itself is 1. So 6 divided dash equal 1. 6 divided 6 equal 1. Thank you.